In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your Google Ads are running using the Google Ads Preview and Diagnosis tool. This quick tutorial will guide you through the process, ensuring you understand each step clearly and easily. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. You can simply do this by typing google.com/ads into your web browser. Once you've reached the homepage, the next step is to click on the Sign In button. You'll typically find this option at the top right corner of the page. If you're already signed in, you can move directly to the Google Ads home interface. But if you're not, go ahead and enter your Google account credentials to access your dashboard. Now, on your Google Ads homepage, you'll see a variety of different options and tools at your disposal. For our specific task, look towards the top menu bar and find the Tools option. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several additional options. Among these, you'll find something labeled Troubleshooting. Click on Troubleshooting to proceed. Within the Troubleshooting section, there's a helpful tool called the Ad Preview and Diagnosis tool. Go ahead and click on this tool. It's specifically designed to show you how your ads are performing without affecting your statistics, which makes it extremely useful for diagnostics without impacting your ad performance metrics. Once inside the Ad Preview and Diagnosis tool, you'll enter specifics about your ad, like the location you want to test. This is crucial because ads can appear differently depending on where your target audience is situated. You can specify details like the language, device, and even the time of day. These parameters help you gauge how and where your ad is displayed, allowing you to understand your ad's reach and impact comprehensively. After inputting these details, your ad preview will load. From here, you can analyze whether your ad is running as expected. If there are any issues, the tool will generally provide some insights or suggestions as to why your ad might not be appearing. This feature assists you in troubleshooting and ensuring everything is working smoothly without needing to run the risk of affecting your ad metrics with a live test search on Google. Remember, the Ad Preview and Diagnosis tool is your friend when it comes to understanding your ad performance without skewing your data. It's a powerful utility to ensure you're getting the most from your campaigns. Utilizing this tool can help you optimize your ads, ensuring they reach their full potential by appearing effectively to your target audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to use these steps to keep your advertising campaigns running smoothly in Google Ads.